Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Razer Synapse not opening on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Razer Synapse and select exit all apps. And now right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just need to search for Razer Synapse. Just right click on it and select end task. Everything listed over here. After closing all Razer Synapse processes, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now find Razer folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall your program. Find Razer Synapse. Just right click on it and select change. Select yes. Select the repair option, and this process will take some time guys, please wait. After getting repair done, select the get started option. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the Razer Synapse and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Find Razer Synapse. Just right click on it and select uninstall. Select yes. Select the uninstall option. Select this check mark Razer Synapse and select uninstall and select yes, remove. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to select the close option. Now you just need to open up a Chrome, search Razer Synapse download and select the first link. Scroll down and select the download now option and download it. After getting download done, you can install the Razer Synapse and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.